routes that are currently already there. So regardless of whether you support the foster parent system or not, a child is better off under the supervision of a parent than in these streets. Regardless of whether second-degree murder is a federal criminal offense, my proposal does not address that. Mine addresses another issue. Prison is not abandoning the child and because they have already chose to do so. It is not taking them out of their lives because they took themselves out of their children's lives. To quote a redundancy point, the reference has required states to enact certain things, and I'll bring quote that the only issue that Maryland addresses was in a 2006 law passed in section 5-801A, where it is defined as a parent can be prosecuted up to $500 and 30 days in the county jail if they leave a child under the age of 8 unattended in the dwelling without the supervision of somebody over the age of 13. That is the redundancy that does not exist. Child abandonment occurs in every community and no groups of people are excluded. It's estimated that over 7,000 children face abandonment each year. That's over 7,000 children that have no idea where their next meal will come from. Over 7,000 children that must find some form of shelter to survive. Over 7,000 children that, according to the American Humane Association, are now twice as likely to affiliate with a gang, be forced into prostitution, or into drug trafficking. There are over 7,000 children each year whose voices are lost, and many states are making no attempts to hear them. When considering the merits of this proposal, one must understand not only its legal justification, but its moral justification as well. Abandoned children are more likely to face emotional and mental health issues. We cannot consider this offense in such a subdued manner that we allow states to have no laws. Child abandonment is a serious reality that deserves a severe punishment. A felony is recognized under criminal court as the most severe conviction, and this is the conviction those children deserve. As you consider ranking my proposal, I ask you to think of a child in any number of states that was just abandoned. Her mother is now facing prosecution of up to 30 days in jail, but don't worry, her boyfriend was just caught speeding and is facing the same thing.
Thank you. We will now move to the ranking portion of this, and this is proposal number 389. We are the White Committee.